Good morning, dear kids. We are continuing with chapter 12. This is 12.3, problem number 7. And it goes, in figure, we can see that ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeters. So I'll just mark for you. This is the square and each side is 14 centimeter. Further it says with center A, B, C, D, 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally to the remaining 3 circles. Okay, find the area of shaded region. Now my dear kids, if you notice here, now radius, if entire is 14, so the radius of each circle will be 7. Yes, my dear kids. Now if you just take the area of square, that will be side square, that will be 14 into 14, and from there if you notice, I'll color green for you. If you notice, there are 4 quadrants here. 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Getting my point? So if I just take one sector area of one quadrant, it will be area of sector, that will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. From there I'll get theta. Now you know very well, when two radiuses are joined here, this is a square, this is 90 degree. So theta is 90 degree upon 360 into pi, you can put it 22 by 7, and your radius each time will be 7. This is area of one sector. I'll just mark here. This is area of one sector here. ऐसे 4 sectors हैं. So whatever area you will get of one sector, you will multiply by 4. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. तो आपको आ जाएगा 4 सेक्टर्स का एरिया. अब अपने स्क्वायर के एरिया में से अगर आप ये 4 सेक्टर्स के एरिया माइनस कर रहे हैं तो यू विल गेट एरिया ऑफ शेडेड पोर्शन. दैट मीन्स एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर minus area of 4 sectors. Is that clear? Let's see our next problem. It says figure 12.6 depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircles. So we can see here, these are semicircles here. Okay, the distance between two inner parallel lines is 60. So this distance is 60. Okay, and they are each 106 meter long. Okay, then this is 106 meter long. Okay, if the track is 10 meter wide, so the width here, the thickness is given as 10 meter. You have to find the distance around the track along its inner edge. So you have to find, I'll color this as red so you'll get it. So you have to find this distance. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. तो अगर आपके पास 2 सेमी सर्कल्स हैं और बीच में एक रेक्टेंगल है, उसका आपको दिया हुआ है, दिस इज़ 106. ओके, एंड हियर यू हैव अ सेमी सर्कल जिसका रेडियस आपको, अगर टोटल 60 है तो रेडियस 30 होगा. अगर रेडियस 30 है, यहाँ का भी रेडियस 30 है, सो बाय 2 पाई आर मैं इसका सर्कमफ्रेंस निकाल सकती हूँ. 2 पाई आर नहीं, दिस इज सेमी सर्कल, सो आई डिवाइड बाय 2, सो दैट विल बी पाई आर. सो आई विल गेट द सेमी सर्कल का पेरीमीटर, दैट इज सर्कमफ्रेंस. हाफ semicircle means half circle, so you will get through pi r, you will get that distance. Getting my point? And here also you will go by pi r. दैट मीन्स अगर आप 2 सेमी सर्कल्स कंबाइन कर रहे हो आगे पीछे वाले, तो वो एक सर्कल बन जाता है. तो इन अ वे यू कैन गो 106 प्लस 106 प्लस द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? सो यू कैन राइट 106 plus 106 plus circumference, that is 2 pi r. So that will be 106 plus 106 plus 2 into 22 upon 7 into 30. That will be the distance around the track in the inner edge, मतलब अंदर की तरफ से. I'll mark that purple. मतलब ये अंदर की तरफ से हम लोग ने inner edge किया. तो ये 106, ये 106 और ये आपका 2 pi r inner edge. Got my point clear? Okay. Further it says, let's see what further question demands. Further it says you have to find the area of track. मतलब ये जो ब्लू कलर है, दैट एरिया यू हैव टू फाइंड. हाउ वी विल फाइंड एरिया ऑफ ट्रैक नाउ? Now if I want to go for area of track, how I can do is, for that first you take, see my dear kids, you have semicircle here. तो एरिया ऑफ जो बाहर का पट्टा हम लोग को ब्लू कलर का है, अगर उसका एरिया फाइंड करना है तो पहले मैं आपको सेमी सर्कल का एरिया बता देती हूँ. नाउ द रेडियस वॉज 30, द इनर रेडियस वॉज 30, करेक्ट. सो आई विल राइट इनर रेडियस, सॉरी, this inner radius is 30 plus width is 10, so the outer radius will be 40. Got my point? So inner radius you got 30, outer radius you got 40. From inner and outer radius, first you have to find inner semicircle area. You also have to find outer semicircle area. Whatever inner semicircle and outer semicircle area, मतलब inner के लिए I'll just mark yellow here. Inner semicircle area, that will be pi r square का आधा. For your inner you will put 30 as radius, so that will be 22/7 into 30 into 30 upon 2. That is inner semicircle area. And for outer semicircle area you will have pi bada r square upon 2, that is 22/7 into 40 into 40, and whatever answer you'll get, divide by 2. So this is where you will get inner semicircle and outer semicircle. You have to subtract both. Why you have to subtract both, my dear kids? Because we want the area of this path. Are you getting me? So this we want, no? So outer semicircle minus inner semicircle. So whatever you are doing on your left hand side, similarly you have a semicircle on the right hand side. So whatever you will get, this black color patta you can see here, whatever area जो इसकी आ रही है उसको आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 2 के साथ, तो आपको दोनों पट्टों की एरिया आ जाएगी. अब क्या बचता है? अब you have this rectangle and this rectangle. Getting my point? I have can I mark it here? I'll put red color. ये आपका जो रेक्टेंगल है ऊपर का, और ये जो नीचे का रेक्टेंगल है, इसकी एरिया करनी है. अब इस रेक्टेंगल के हम लोग के लेंथ और ब्रेथ क्या होंगे? तो इट विल बी 106/10 बिकॉज 10 इज द विथ, एंड हियर ऑल्सो 106/10. तो नाउ वॉट एवर एरिया जो आपकी सेमी सर्कल्स की आ रही है उसमें आप ऐड करेंगे 106/10 और 106/10. Are you getting my point? So in a way your equation will be, I'll better write it so that it will be clear for you. I'll make it clear. I'll erase this part. Okay. So area of track will be area of two rectangles. Those are in between. You can see this one rectangle and this one rectangle. That will be 106 into 10. That we will multiply with 2. Okay, plus you will have area of two semicircles. But semicircles कौन से? ये इनर और आउटर माइनस करके, आउटर और इनर माइनस करके, दैट आई टॉट यू हाउ टू मेक इट. उनकी एरिया ऐड करनी है. गॉट माई पॉइंट क्लियर? सो योर फाइनल आंसर यू विल गेट विल बी 106 into 10. Okay, so I'll get 2120 plus I'll get 2 पट्टों की एरिया, यहाँ से सेमी सर्कल और यहाँ से सेमी सर्कल. आपको समझ में आया ना? ये मैंने इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल कैसे किया. एक मैंने 40 से लिया और एक मैंने 30 से लिया और दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. सो इट विल बी एक्चुअली इन अ वे आपका फॉर्मूला ऐसे बनेगा, क्योंकि ये एक सेमी सर्कल और एक सेमी सर्कल मिला के एक सर्कल बनता है. तो वी कैन गो फॉर पाई आर स्क्वायर. यस, वी कैन गो फॉर पाई आर स्क्वायर. एक बड़ा पाई आर स्क्वायर और एक छोटा पाई आर स्क्वायर. पाई कॉमन निकाल दिया तो इंटरनल विल बी आर स्क्वायर माइनस आर स्क्वायर. So that is 40 square minus 30 square. And pi value you can put. From here you will get ये जो सेमी सर्कल्स हैं उनकी एरिया, मतलब सेमी सर्कल का जो पट्टा है बाहर का उसकी एरिया. दैट एरिया यू हैव टू ऐड टू 2120 to get the final track area. Is that clear? Let's see what ninth problem says. It says in your figure it is given that AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O perpendicular to each other at OD, and OD is the diameter of smaller circle. Okay, it's all visible in your diagram. If OA is 7, so OA, this is 7 given. Find the area of shaded portion. So how will find? Let's start. Now my dear kids, अगर OA 7 है तो can I write radius of larger circle is 7 centimeter. And what will be radius of smaller circle then? Radius of smaller circle. See my dear kids, even this will be 7 और इसका radius हो जाएगा 7 का आधा, that is 3.5. Correct? So you got that as 3.5. Now height, if I go for a triangle BCA, so in triangle BCA, OC will be playing as a height, that will be also 7 centimeter, and base, that is AB, will be 14. So you can take the area of triangle BCA is equal to half 14 into 7, that is 49 centimeter square. Perfect? Yes. Now if I go for area of bigger circle, the outer circle, if you see area of bigger circle, I'll write it here. Shall I erase this part? So just remember this triangle area we got 49. Okay, then we'll go for area of bigger circle. So I'll write area of bigger circle. That will be pi r square, or better I'll write bada R, so you'll get to know. So pi bada R square, so that will be 22 upon 7 is pi, and 7 into 7. So your answer will be 154 centimeter square. Got my point? And if I want area of this semicircle, what will be the area of this semicircle? So this will be area of semicircle will be half of 154. So that will be 154 upon 2. That will be 77 centimeter square. ये जो सेमी सर्कल आया उसमें से अगर आप 49 ट्रायंगल की एरिया माइनस कर रहे हो तो आपको शेडेड पोर्शन मिल जाएगा सेमी सर्कल में. दैट मीन्स यू विल गेट, आई विल मार्क येलो, you will get this part area. So you will subtract, for shaded portion, you will subtract the area of semicircle, that is 77 centimeter square, minus area of your triangle, that is 49. Got my point clear? So you will get 28 centimeter square. Now you have to take area of this circle, the smaller circle. And we know the diameter is 3.5, 7 upon 2. So how you will find area of this circle? So area of this circle will be pi r square, and that will be 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2, 7 upon 2. Got my point clear? So that will be 77 upon 2. Now this is your circle area and this is your 28 centimeter is your remaining जो सेमी सर्कल में से ट्रायंगल हटा दिया. इन दोनों को अगर आप ऐड कर देंगे तो यू विल गेट योर फाइनल आंसर ऑफ एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन. इज दैट क्लियर माय डियर किड्स? Let's see with next, and it says area of an equilateral triangle ABC. So this area I have marked yellow. Area of ABC is given as 17320.5. centimeter square. And because it's an equilateral triangle, we can say angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60. So you can see that there are 3 sectors. I have marked them yellow color. How you will find each sector area? That will be 60 upon 360 into pi r square. Got my point? Now if area of triangle is given, from there, because radius is not given, so for that radius I'll need to just calculate what area of triangle is given. From there I'll get the side. Okay, so area of triangle is given. What is area of equilateral triangle? It is root 3 upon 4 side square, and that is given as 17320.5. Now from here, my dear kids, when I calculate, I'll get my side square, and then I'll make square root on both sides so that I'll get the value of side. Okay. So from there I'll get the value of side as 200 centimeter. Once you calculate this, you will for sure get it. Once you got the value of side, मतलब आपको आ गया AB का वैल्यू. अगर उसका मिड पॉइंट करूँगी तो वो रेडियस बन जाएगा सबका. So 200 centimeters the side, so 100 will be the radius. So in this you have to put 100 as the radius in this area of sector formula. So that will be 60 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 100 into 100. So that will be one sector area. Similar, you have 3 here. So whatever your answer you will get of one sector area, you will multiply with 3. So that will be total sector area. And from your triangle's area, you have to subtract your total sector area of 3 sectors, and whatever will be remaining will be the shaded part. Clear? Can you do that? In the next problem we have, on a square handkerchief 9 circular designs each of radius 7. तो ये जो circles हैं उनका radius दिया हुआ है 7. तो एक circle की area बन जाएगी pi r square, that is 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. Got my point? So that will be each circle, and then you have to multiply by 9 because there are 9 circles. So you will get total area of the designs. Okay. And how we will find the area of, we have to find the area of remaining part. मतलब अगर square में से ये 9 circles को हटा देंगे तो बाकी जो बचेगा that will be the area of remaining part. But for that you need to find out the length, the side of the measurement of the side. How you will find the measurement of the side? Let's see. Now if I say you each radius is 7, that means each diameter will be 14. So every circle will have diameter 14. So if I just do 14 plus 14 plus 14, or rather I can say 14 into 3, so that will be 42. That means I got the side value as 42. So this square will have all sides as 42. Once I got the sides, what I will do? I'll find area of square. How I'll find area of square? Side square, that is 42 square. So you will get the answer for area of square. From there you have to subtract area of 9 circles, 9 designed circles. When you subtract, the remaining will be the answer of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. Is that clear? Can you do that? Okay.